Hello friends, my name is Anurag Sahai and today we are discussing secret of day 1 of Navratri. So in this series of unknown secrets or lesser known secrets of Navratri, this is day 1. So what is a secret of day 1? How to utilize uh, today, the first day of Navratri? Let's look into the details of Navratri. So today, as you all see, that today is a day 1, and what type of puja or what type of worship we are supposed to do on day 1. So day 1, we are worshipping goddess Shalputri. So who is Shalputri and what is the meaning of Shalputri? Shalputri, Shala means mountain and Putri means daughter. So goddess who is born as daughter of Shala of or king of Himalaya. So the legend goes, or the story goes, that Sati is reborn as Parvati. The goddess Sati is reborn as Parvati. So, what this Shalputri means and why not we call her Parvati, why this name Shalputri is so important, we will look into the details in the next slides in iconography. So planet, which planet is preferred today? Moon is preferred today, moon or Chandra. It is believed that the moon, the provider of all good fortunes, is governed by goddess Shalputri. So we will look into planet moon today and which chakra we should focus at. We should focus as Mooladhara, means to our root chakra. And as per the day today, that is Thursday, Navratri color of the day is yellow. And what should we offer or provide a bhog to goddess is ghee, the pure ghee. That's what we provide. So as per the iconography, Sati, who was born as Shalputri, a divine consort of Lord Shiva, that was Shati, and she was born as Shalputri. We are also divine beings born as humans, isn't it? So, Shaila or mountain represent determination and unmovable will. And as human beings, we all got unbreakable power of will from birth. So, importance of harnessing this power is depicted in the name Shalputri. So that's why we all should harness this power or unmovable determination and unmovable will. Then goddess mounts on bull. What bull represent? And what the two things which goddess carries in her two hands. In one hand she carries flower, lotus flower, and that is left hand, and in the right hand she carries Trishul, the trident. Bull represents patience and strength because in olden days bull were used to plow the agriculture fields and pull bullock carts. Now Trishul represents, that is trident, represents the energy hidden in Mooladhara chakra, the root chakra of creation, manifestation, and destruction. So what is we are supposed to destruct is fear, and what we are supposed to create, we should be able to maintain also. So our past, present, and future is dependent on the power of Mooladhara. So lotus represent the auspicious power of Shakti hidden in every human being. So this Shakti which is hidden in Mooladhara should not be used for bad purposes or should not be wasted. It should be used for the auspicious purpose or auspicious creation in life, and that's the need of harnessing this power, and that's what the day 1 represent as Shalputri. What is the meaning in Tantra about Shalputri and what it depicts in yoga techniques? So in first day of these 9 days of Navratri, we have to focus on our Mooladhara chakra, that is root chakra. If Mooladhara chakra is strengthened, then we can release the power of patience and strength hidden in it for the auspicious use. When power resides in Mooladhara is awakened, then it dissolves the worldly fears and fears of the past. Also, by awakening of this power, we start creating our life and sustain it too. Means a good creation will start happening out of, or auspicious creation will start happening if we use this Muladhara Chakra without any fear. So we have to get rid of the worldly fears or external fears and start working or start creating what we are supposed to create in this world. And because it is auspicious and we have this power within us, we can sustain it too. That's what the Tantra understanding of the first day is. Now, what to do today? Focus on your Muladhara Chakra or base or root chakra. Release all your worldly fears, external fears. So whatever you have external fears, today you focus and witness them and let go of them. You can chant below Devi mantra also, Om Devi Shailputraye Namaha. This mantra should be taken or should be given as a diksha to you by somebody who is a master of this mantra. So do not use it because I am giving it here. So use it when somebody is giving diksha to you for this mantra. You can do meditation on Devi Shailputri and on your Muladhara and get rid of all the negativity in your Muladhara chakra. So that's how you are supposed to utilize today, day 1 of Devi Navratri. So this is the first obstacle, that is obstacle of fear, external worldly fears, which you are supposed to get rid of, and that's where the good foundation of your life starts. So I think you must have enjoyed my day 1 secret of Navratri. See you tomorrow with the day 2 secret. Till then, stay healthy and stress free. Thank you.